country.
Bless my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud
Proud of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
Worthy of it.
I shall give respect to my parents,
I shall give respect to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders.
and all others,
Until everyone,
and to everyone,
with courtesy, to my country
to my country,
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion
my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity.
and prosperity.
Alone lies
My
happiness.
happiness.
Jai Hind.
Today's news bulletin is brought to you by 8th C. International and national news is brought to you by A. Hudsta from Grade-VIII Sapphire. International news. UAE President to visit India for Trump peace for Gaza space. National news. Vijay's TVK gets symbol whistle for 2026 Assembly election in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought by Shoshankar from Grade-VIII Sapphire. State news. Digital classrooms and virtual labs planned for all government medical colleges in Telangana. Thank you. Today's state news is brought to you by Rishendra from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Sport news. Gujarat Giants versus UP Warriors. Gujarat Giants won by 22 runs. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Navin from Grade-VIII Sapphire. I am here to say weather report. Maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 18 kilometers per hour. Air quality good. That is the end of the news bulletin. Thank you.
Everyone, today's thought is brought to you by Happy morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Adya from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Thought. Dirty water do not stop plants for growing. So don't let negative things stop for your progressing. I'll repeat it again. Dirty water do not stop plants for growing. So don't stop plants for growing. Thank you.
Everyone, today's word is brought to you by E. Kushmita of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Word ethos, meaning the characteristic spirit or a set of beliefs of a community or a culture. Friends, please spell after me. Ethos. E-T-H-O-S. Ethos. Thank you. Have a marvelous day. Everyone, I am Tanvita of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today I am going to tell some GK questions on moral values. Question for Grade 7. What is the goal of keeping promises? I repeat it again. What is the core of keeping promises? Sorry, you did not pick any answer. And the answer is honesty. Question for Grade 8. What is standing by your values despite pressure? I repeat it again. What is standing by your values despite pressure? Sorry, you did not pick any answer. And the answer is integrity. Question for Grade 9. What is showing care for others? Sorry, you did not pick any answer. And the answer is compassion. Open questions to all. Question number 1. What is accountable for your actions? I repeat it again. What is accountable for your actions? Sorry, you did not pick any answer. And the answer is responsibility. Open question number 2. What is treating people equally? Sorry, you did not pick any answer. And the answer is fairness. Open question number 3. What is respecting elders or nation or actions? Yes, you pick the correct answer. And the answer is respect. Let us appreciate them. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Komal from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today I want to speak something crucial for our growth, that is responsibility. Especially within school walls, our second home, we just not learnt about the subjects but how to become responsible. This is of making our ownership of learning, doing homeworks, attending classes and participating. This is of respecting elders, teachers and each other. Most important thing is honesty choice when no one is seeing, but building trust and character, and and not it just following rules, but it's the courage to do what's the right, the commitment to our duties, the accountability for our actions. Now to let's we all embrace for our responsibility not as the burden but as the privilege. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Hansuja and my friend Krishnaveni. Today we are here to do a conversation on Vasanta Panchami. Hi Krishnaveni, how are you? I am fine Hansuja, what about you? I am great. Krishnaveni, do you know what's special today? Yes, I know. Today's special is Vasanta Panchami. Do you know why we will celebrate Vasanta Panchami? No Krishnaveni, I don't know. Can you explain me? Yes, I'll explain you. On Vasanta Panchami, we'll pray for Saraswati Devi Saraswati Devi will bless by wishing and wisdom. I understood it. Krishnaveni, you know, today in our school we are doing a puja for Saraswati Devi. Isn't it amazing? Absolutely, it will be amazing, Ansuja. And you know, today our 9th grade brothers and sisters are going to Junior 10. Yes, I am expecting that they will get good marks in grade 10th. So friends, this conversation is not just to hear, this to understand the meaning of the Vasanta Panchami. And Suja, let us end our conversation. Absolutely, Krishnaveni. Thank you.